Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Gul. If you are looking to improve your English without feeling overwhelmed, so you are in the right place. Today, I will share 5 simple habits that can improve your English fluency and you become more confident. So let's get started. The first habit is speak 15 minutes a day. Yes, you heard it correctly. Try to speak in English at least 15 minutes a day. It could be about yourself, about your day, about your favorite movie, or the things around you. Try to record yourself and listen back. It might feel awkward at first, but it can help you catch mistakes and improve your English quickly. The second habit is learn few 5 words and try to learn new words a day. Yes, make it a habit to learn 5 new words or more words in a day. Try to learn that type of words that are used in your daily life and practice making sentences with these words. In this modern era, there are different types of English language apps like Anki or Quizlet can make it even easier for you. The third habit is listening actively for 15 minutes. Yes, as we know that listening is just as important as speaking. So try to listen simple podcast, watching English movies or YouTube contents daily for 15 minutes. Focus on the way that how words are pronounced and how can you imitate their speed and intonation. So this type of habit, which is listening, can helps you become more fluent and more confident in your English journey. Habit number 4 is thinking in English. Yes, here's a powerful tip, which is thinking in English. Yes, so start thinking in English. It when you are going to plan your day or even something around you, so start thinking English instead of translating from your native language. These habits helps you respond faster in communication. The last one and the fifth habit is shadow native speakers. Yes, you heard it right. Lastly, shadow native speakers like pick a shorts video and listen to it and try to repeat it in the same speed, same intonation. This type of habits helps you become more fluent and more confident in your English language journey and improve your English very well. This technique is amazing and really workful. So my dear friends, which of these habits are you going to try first? So let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for improving your English and for more tips. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.